Hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos if you're looking to AVAX. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button if you want to receive update videos from my side. Target is 20,000 subscribers. Thank you. So we look into the Bitcoin price. I expect here uptrend to this level, 57,000, because it's obviously that this year is the last wave, so that we can expect this retest at 57,000. If you notice that the Bitcoin price is going sideways, then the price is manipulated. It seems that they want manipulate the price, so that we have here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and it depends really from the walls what we will see here. If you see the magenta or violet color here and see that the price is going sideways, then you can see that the price is manipulated. This is the inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and we will landing here at 30,000 levels. If you see that the blue line is happening here, then you can see a retest of this area, and then after the retest, the red line is happening. Will happen. So we look into AVAX. I search for a better chart. Let's look. You can see it's not easy to find a chart with history. So this is good for us. You can see a good structure of this. Look here. AVAX start here at 20 September of 2020, and you can see this structure. Look, the price is going here to these levels, and you can see here this manipulation to the upside, and we see here this structure. This is a hammer, and normally we have to go in that way to the upside, to reach here 200 levels. But I think this will not happen because they manipulate the price so that we will reach only this level here, and then we coming to the end. What people not see, we have here as base, we have this level here, $16. We have also a negative structure. Let's look. I zoom in. So I look to this here. This is important. 25 of September. 25 of September is this level. So we have here a negative structure like this. And this trend channel is active. So we are now here at these levels, and our uptrend is broke. So the theoretical level in which we can reach is this here. So we adjust a little bit. I would say the maximum what we can reach here is 130. After reaching 130, AVAX has problems. Yeah. The price will go in that way to the downside. I think the $40 will not hold. Yeah, I think we come back to these levels here. So I think we will come back to these levels here, 16, 15. Yeah. After reaching this, our we complete the wave. Yeah. And then we can start here a new wave. Yeah. The new wave is this. I make this in green. This is for me a bull run. We will go to, let's look, to 400. But I think before we go to 400 or something like that, we have to come back to 11, 10, $16. Yeah. I know this is to understand is very difficult. Yeah. But you have to understand that we need here nearly 1 year, and you can add also this part here. Yeah, let's look. This part and this part here. This does not exist. You have to look to Bitcoin chart so that you understand this structure. Yeah, so that we coming here to the end. A new cycle begins here. So you can calculate the time here. We nearly need here 2.5 years, yeah, to build this structure, and this uptrend will also take 2 years, I think. Yeah. Start here maybe mid of 2022 and goes nearly direction of 2024. Yeah, we will see here 2 years of bull run. So have a nice day. If you have questions, please write me, and let's see how this play out. And if you want more AVAX videos, then please write me. Yeah. So we're looking to Bitcoin price. So I would say have a nice day.